foreperson of the jury? And have you reached a verdict?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
If you would give the verdict form to the deputy sheriff, please. Thank you. Under verdict form number 1, we, the jury, find the defendant, Brett Hankison, not guilty of wanton endangerment in the first degree under instruction number 4, as that applies to Cody Etherton. Verdict form number 2, as to Chelsea Napper, we, the jury, find the defendant, Brett Hankison, not guilty of wanton endangerment first degree under instruction number 5. As to verdict form number 3, wanton endangerment first degree as to Zayden F., we, the jury, find the defendant, Brett Hankison, not guilty of wanton endangerment first degree under instruction number 6. Counsel, anything further from this jury?
On behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, cannot thank you enough for the time and attention that you have paid to this case, for being able to reach a verdict, for going through individual voir dire with us, for filling out the questionnaire, always being on time for court, coming in during a pandemic and hearing this case, going to the scene with us. I just cannot express my appreciation to you enough that you have so well performed your civic duty in regards to all that you have done on this case. I would like to meet with you just briefly back in the jury room, so I'm going to ask Deputy Sheriff Anthony to take you back there, and then we'll talk further at that point. Mr. Hankison, this jury has found you not guilty. This court therefore finds that you are not guilty of these charges. You are free to go, and your bond will be released.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hankison is a free man, just excused by the court. He is free to go. Why? Not guilty. We have 2 special guest legal analysts with us still in Houston, criminal defense attorney, former prosecutor Nicole DeBoard, and I'd now like to welcome in Los Angeles, civil rights attorney, former criminal defense attorney DeWitt Lacy. DeWitt, I want to start with you. What is your reaction to this not guilty verdict?
You know, I would like to say that I'm shocked, but, you know, frankly, the fact even that, you know, a lot of the officers, other officers who were involved in this shooting were not prosecuted, the fact that the recklessness in which Hankison fired into Breonna Taylor's home was not really a matter that was able to be considered by the jury. I'm not surprised. I think it is and represents a failure of justice in this aspect. And I hope that maybe there's some other type of evaluation of the shooting that happens.